To set lock screen, smoke and fire alarm sound notifications as hide content in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility, tap hearing enhancements, select sound notifications, and then tap settings, tap sound notifications are active if you turn on sound notifications, and if off, tap sound notifications are paused. Then you must turn on list transcript and sound notification. First, tap if off, tap sound notification switch until blue to turn on, and then select smoke and fire alarms, and then tap lock screen, select hide content, lock screen, smoke and fire alarm sound notification set as hide content. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.